about done pumping. Got a really good amount. Sure that I would be able to get this much, but I think I got, let's see, 10 mil in this one, and then this one is like, let's say 8. So I got 18 mil altogether, almost 20 mil for my very first pump session, and that was after feeding Jameson already. My dilemma now is that what am I supposed to do with this, because this is really good milk, because this is the kind of colostrum milk, and I don't want to bag it up because he really needs it right now. But on the other hand, I don't want to get him on a bottle, so I'm not sure how I'm supposed to feed this to him. So I'm gonna figure that out and I'll let you guys know. But yay, my milk came in, all that hard work. Alright guys, I've decided to... Hi. Oh, you wanna... Hi, say hi. Okay, ăn hả? Ăn gì? Okay, so this is the 5 ml and I'm gonna try to feed it to him. It might be too much, but we gotta do it. Good morning. Hi. Okay. Hello. Sữa nè. Yummy. Yummy sữa. Yummy sữa. Oh, oh. Hi, buddy. Hi, buddy. What are you doing? Jameson's all nice and tucked in. Good morning, guys. It is Tuesday, March 20th. Hi, come say hi, please. Come here. Oh, do you love brother? You don't love him? Why? Say Jameson. JJ. Good job. Say Jameson. Look what Mama got for you. I feel so good today. Of course, I'm still recovering, but my mom let me shower, you guys. My mom let me shower. For those of you guys who don't know what I'm talking about, which most of you guys probably don't, but there's this whole like Asian thing or Vietnamese thing about not showering for like 6 months or something crazy like that after giving birth, because apparently your pores are open and you're very, very weak and you're prone to getting sick. I'm doing my makeup right now, looking for my eyelashes. Person probably took them. I have no idea where they are. They were literally just right here a second ago. Okay guys, postpartum meal. Oh, mommy might get that, okay? So I've got rice here, and this is papaya with pork hock soup. This is supposed to help you produce tons of milk, and I think it's really helped because I am producing a lot of milk. Yeah, very traditional. Listen, em đâu con? Come here. Come here. Oh. Oh. Hi, Jameson. Hi, Jameson. You guys, one of the benefits of having your mom here is a nice home-cooked meal. It's a traditional Vietnamese breakfast. Yummy.
Kia đâu phải cắn cái đầu đó đâu, cái đầu đó đầu nó bỏ mà.
Preston, you ready?
You ready? Okay. Thành, are you ready? Cái chân con ra. Okay. Lấy cho bà ngoại con vịt đi. Duck. Thành, lấy cho bà ngoại con vịt.
Duck.
Duck. Con vịt đó.
Quack quack.
Duck. Quack 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 quack. Con vịt đâu, lấy cho bà ngoại con vịt. Wow. Không biết cái này con vịt. Giỏi quá.
Wow, good job.
Okay. Bây giờ lấy cho bà ngoại trái tim đi.
Heart. Preston, heart.
Cho bà ngoại trái tim.
Heart.
Cái nào cái tim đâu?
Heart.
Trái tim đâu? Nó đâu phải trái tim đâu.
No.
Cái đó carrot. Trái tim á. Trái tim.
No. House. That's house gone.
House.
Heart. Heart.
Tim á, trái tim á.
Yay!
Giỏi quá. Giỏi quá. Ok. Anh lấy cho bà ngoại con ngựa đi.
Horse.
Con ngựa. Horse. Trời ơi, giỏi. Ok. Anh lấy cho bà ngoại con cá.
Fish.
Cá đi. Fish. Ôi trời, giỏi quá. Không biết hết trơn à. Có fish con kia. Giỏi quá. Fish. Ôi giỏi quá. Biết hết trơn, biết chưa? Ok, Thành lấy cho bà ngoại con chuột đi.
Mouse.
Mouse. Mouse.
Where's mouse?
Con chuột. Con chuột. Mouse.
Mouse?
Con chuột đâu?
Preston, mouse?
Chuột lẹ lên. Con chuột. Ô trời ơi, giỏi quá. Biết con nào con chuột nữa ha. Ok. Rabbit. Rabbit. Con thỏ đâu?
Rabbit.
Rabbit. Rabbit. Oh yeah.
Yay!
Giỏi quá. Rồi cái kia là gì?
Top.
Giỏi quá. Ôi da, Thành giỏi quá. Ở đây.
Yay! Giơ tay, giơ tay, giơ tay, giơ tay. Giơ tay, giỏi quá. High five, P.
Giỏi quá.
P, high five.
Giỏi.
High five.
Giỏi
Good
quá.
job, bud. Good morning, guys. It is Friday, March 23rd. I finally got myself together today, and I'm eating some oatmeal. It helps produce milk, so if you guys are breastfeeding, eat some oatmeal. I've got my hot ginger water right here. Has a little bit of honey and kumquat in it. My mom has been taking really good care of me. Thank God she's here, because I wouldn't have been able to survive this whole week without her. And you guys, it's been a week already. That's insane. Our little man is up. He's right here. Hi. My mom hooked it up again, guys. We've got bitter melon with eggs. We've got gan kwai with shrimp. The house is so quiet right now. Everyone is napping. Both babies are down napping. Mom is napping. Everybody's napping. Got a whole chaos of mess back here, but who cares, okay? I'm all done up today because hopefully I'll be able to film a postpartum video for you guys. There's so much to talk about in the video, like how much weight I've lost already, and I'm so surprised. Like, I think I've lost like 15 pounds already. It's crazy. Or maybe even 20 pounds. Anyway, hopefully I'll be able to do a postpartum update video. It's been 1 week and 1 day since I've given birth, and I just pumped, so this is how much I got. I think I nursed him on the right boob, and that's why I didn't get as much on the right side as I did on the left, but on the left I got 65 ml, and then on my right side I got 35. I'm nursing much more this time around, and it's been such a blessing. I remember last time I was so stressed out about pumping, and you know, I can get into that in the video and talk more in depth about that, but this time around has been so much easier without pumping and all that craziness. So I'm going to transfer these into bags. Yummy. Got my avocado toast with my egg now that I could eat it. Got my matcha latte. Nana's back. She hooked it up with the breakfast and the matcha.
And the baby soothing nothing.
And life is great, you know? I just couldn't have asked for a better recovery period. I mean, look at this. This is my welcome back to life breakfast. Hello. Look at this egg, you guys. I can finally enjoy it. Girl that grubs. No.
Yes, follow me, guys.
This should be your thumbnail. Girl that grubs.
Like super intense.
Like you gotta be like all up in the food like
all
this.
All up in it?
Yeah, you have to. Thank you, girl that grubs.
I know. I know. You want chicken? Oh yeah, oh my god, he spit out. I gave him avocado and
he hates the texture.
He spit it out so much. My tuna salad again, so here we go.
All right, so we're making her famous tuna salad. We've got white albacore tuna right here.
In water, not oil, please.
In water. Why?
Because oil is just nasty.
I don't know. I don't buy it.
Don't you get oils? Always get it in the water, not oil, guys.
I didn't know that.
Yeah, and drain out the water.
Okay, drain out the water. We've got celery, onion, hard-boiled eggs, mayo, okay, salt, pepper. Okay, let's do this.
All right.
I think simple dishes are the best.
Yeah, for sure.
Salt.
And I just mix it a little bit first.
Hi. How many cans of tuna is this?
4.
Celery. Don't people put relish in here too?
They do, but I don't like relish.
I think the eggs is a really nice touch.
Yeah, leave the yolk in, guys.
And this is 2 eggs?
Yeah.
That's a lot. Okay, mayo. This is the part that always gets me. Like, I don't know how much mayo to put.
I started with 4 big globs of it, guys.
And you know, I think what else like turns me off is I hate mayo. So like, if I see myself making it, it turns me off.
And it's always better when someone else makes it for you, right?
It really is. You're scary, Preston. So we're trying to save money right now by doing our own newborn pics. Here's the inspo. Here's the baby. Here's the creative artist. I'm the photographer assistant.
Linda!
We're doing it, we're doing it. Okay.
This is it.
Okay.
Even this eyes are...
But this is the only part that you have to bake is the granola part of it, they said. So.
Thank you.
Oh,
Yay.
good job.
Good job, Preston. Good job. Yo, Daddy.
Ow!
Oh, oh my Lord.
You saved it this time?
He's laughing.
You are a character.
He's laughing his butt off.
It's pretty good. We may have toasted it just a tad too much.
Guys, we brought a camera too.
Oh, you did? Are you guys ready for ice cream? Pepe, you ready for ice cream?
We brought a camera.
Okay, let's
So
go,
I'm
guys.
gonna be a cameraman next.
All right. You guys ready for ice cream? Yeah?
Nói ngồi đi con. Thành. Nói ngồi này con. Nói ngồi.
You go get him a phone.
Hey, you want to sit closer to P? Come closer. Okay, say cheese, guys.